Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Bank Employees News. Today we have a latest update on merger of banks. A latest update is coming. No specific proposal to merge more public sector banks currently under consideration as set by government. Ministry of Finance said that the Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman had already announced the government's intent to privatize two public sector banks. There is no specific proposal to amalgamate more public sector banks is currently under consideration of the government, the Minister of State Finance said on Monday. No specific proposal to amalgamate more public sector banks is currently under consideration of the government, the Minister of State for Finance stated in the written reply in Lok Sabha. Government, after consulting with the RBI, approved that respective board of public sector banks may consider amalgamation. Bank boards concerned considered the amalgamation and approved the same in principle. The government, after considering inputs of RBI and in principle approval and inputs of banks, amalgamated Vijay Bank and Dena Bank into Bank of Baroda with effect from 1st April 2019 and Oriental Bank of Commerce and United Bank of India into Punjab National Bank, Andhra Bank and Corporation Bank into Union Bank of India, Syndicate Banks into Canara Bank and Allahabad Bank into Indian Bank with effect from 1st April 2020, the statement further added. He also said the Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, while presenting budget 2021 to 22, had announced the privatization of public sector banks as a part of disinvestment drive to garner 1.7 lakh crore rupees. Other than IDBI Bank, we propose to take up the privatization of two public sector banks and one general insurance company in the year 2021-22, she said in the Lok Sabha. Meanwhile, a bill to amend the general insurance law to allow the government to pay its stake in state-owned insurers was introduced in the Lok Sabha on Friday. But Sitharaman insisted that it will not lead to privatization. Introducing the General Insurance Business Nationalization Amendment Bill 2021, Sitharaman said its passage will help generate required resources from the Indian market so that public sector general insurers can design innovative products. Notwithstanding economic disruptions caused by the pandemic, public sector banks have managed to raise a record 58,700 crore from the markets in financial year 2021 through a mixed debt and equity to enhance capital base. This included 4,500 crore raised by Mumbai-based Bank of Baroda from Qualified Institutional Placement, that is QIP. Punjab National Bank mobilized 3,788 crore through share sale on private placement basis during the financial year ended March 31st, 2021. At the same time, Bengaluru-based Canara Bank raised 2,000 crore from QIP as per data collected from the regulatory filings. So as per the latest update, there is no further merger proposal in the coming days. So as per the latest reports, there is also deferment in the bank privatization for one financial year. So there is a delay in the privatization process, and there is also no proposal by the government as per the written reply by the government in Lok Sabha in the coming days for bank merger. So there is a hope for the bankers to save their public sector banks as there is a delay in the privatization process. So there is a good and positive hope in the bankers.